चलिए रेडी। ये कोर्ट के लिए लीगल मैटर है। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5। टोटल वर्ड हो गया 494। बी विजुअल कंप्यूटर नियर किरण इंस्टीट्यूट मुसल्लामपुर हाट पटना बाई एम डी सद्दाम। मोबाइल नंबर 9507142555। चलिए कोर्ट के लिए जितने भी हाई कोर्ट सिविल कोर्ट है इंडिया में सब के लिए पैसेज हैं। रेडी स्टार्ट। Section 138 of the Act makes a civil transaction to be an offence by fiction of law, full stop, where any check drawn by a person on an account maintained by him with a banker for payment of any amount of money to another person is returned by the bank unpaid either because of the amount or money standing to the credit of that person being insufficient to honor the check, or that it exists the amount arranged to be paid from that account, such person subject to the other conditions shall be deemed to have committed an offence under the said section and be punished for a term, which may extend to 1 year, or with fine, which may extend to twice the amount of check, or with both. Full stop. Paragraph change. To make the dishonor of the check as an offence, the aggrieved party is required to present the check to the bank within a period of 6 months from the date on which it is drawn, or within the period of its validity, whichever is earlier, and the payee or the holder in due course of the check makes a demand for payment of the check amount by giving a notice in writing to the drawer of the check within 15 days of the receipt of information by him from the bank regarding the return of the check as unpaid, and drawer of the such check fails to make the payment of the amount within 15 days of the receipt of the said notice. Full stop. Section 139 refers to presumption that unless the contrary is proved, the holder received the check of the nature referred to under section 138 for the discharge in whole or in part or of any debt or other liability. Full stop. Paragraph change. Section 140 restricts the defense in any prosecution under section 138 of the Act, and section 141 refers to such offence committed by the companies. Full stop. Section 142 provides that notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure, no court shall take cognizance of an offence under the section except upon a complaint in writing made by the payee, or as the case may be, the holder of the check, and that such complaint is made within 1 month of the date on which the cause of action arose under clause under bracket C of proviso to section 138 of the Act. Full stop. Paragraph change. Supporting the judgment of the High Court, the learned counsel appearing for the respondents has submitted that as upon presentation and dishonor of the check by the bank in on 28th May, 1998, which was intimated to the complainant, a cause of action had accrued, the complaint could be filed only within 30 days from the date of the alleged receipt of the first notice by the accused, full stop. He contends that as according to the complainant, the postal acknowledgement receipt of the notice was received by the complainant on 15th June, 1998, the complaint filed by it after 15 July 1998 was barred by time. चलिए इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कीजिए, मिला देंगे इसको 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। चलिए रेडी। ये कोर्ट के लिए लीगल मैटर है, एक्सरसाइज